Uh-huh. Just look at me, man. Oh.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching.
Tell me my fans. For a light skin boy here, guys.
Guys, we done with the shoot and we're very tired. Very tired. Very tired. So guys, I just got home like right now. Not right now, but like 20 minutes ago. I ate because I was hungry. And guys, look at this makeup. Though it still looks good, guys. You see. Don't worry about my room. Just see, guys, that I look good. And then tell me I'm going to remove the makeup and sleep because I have nothing to do. I have so yeah, and I found my baby boy brother is sleeping. I think he was watching Nakalala. Come on, I watch. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on the I'm combining them. Combine. Let me remove my makeup right now, guys. Period.
Look at me. You look good.
Yes.
Turn. I want to see your head. Zero. Guys.
Wale mama akamwambia ongea majibu yalita.
Eti what?
Tukamwambia nicheka hadi nikaisha.
Hey guys, how are you? Now I've decided to be doing a weekly vlog where I show you what I'm doing. Like today is on Sunday, guys. I'm going to church. I'm waiting for my friend Candy to come for me, and then don't worry, I'm just wearing this because my cousin taught me. She didn't teach me, but she explained to me how to cook porridge. And right now I want to cook porridge because I'm not feeling well, guys. I don't know how I'm feeling. Right now I've made alembe make kijiko moja. You see this one kijiko, this one spoon nimetengeneza ya, but it's just then I think I'm gonna add some milk. Okay, yes, let me put you guys. I don't know whether you'll see me doing my thing. Yes, there you'll see me. Guys, I see me. I see me. Anyway, let me start this. What ninakaa mingi, guys. I'm if you're inakaa maji maji. Me, I don't even know, guys. I'm just trying my best. And then I'm gonna add some milk if itakuwa imetosha. I have some utensils here, but I think I'm gonna wash them after church. Nikishika maji baridi guys right now, I'll be sneezing. So let me throw this. You see guys, I've already stirred. And then let me show you the magic guys. Make a one cup.
So guys, imagine, I don't know that you can hear me because the churches here they are singing. Nikapata sina sukari. I had to go to another mini supermarket here. Thank God it was open. Nikanunua. Nimejifunika because my church is just opposite the mall, the mini super. Now you see. Now let's go and continue making our porridge. My people, I'm back. See there, I'm dressed, guys. I'll go and buy sukari kwa supermarket because nimekuwa mkale. Guys, zenye nimepata hapo ni zile za 1 kg, you know. For me, I like buying once 2 kg, I'm out of 5 kg in a cart. I'm tired. Wandering stairs. Guys, you see, for a first timer, this is my first time making porridge, but it's very good. Let me taste it and then tell you how it's tasting. It's yummy, but let me tell you something. Kitu imechangia sukari. It's very let me put some lemon. I forgot lemon. Guys, it's on Sunday, and yes, I installed my own wig, guys. Just see, nilikuwa nishatoa kitambo, so but I have a glue got to be, so yeah, got my hair, and that is my outfit, guys. See you at church. Guys, today is on when is today? Today's on Tuesday. We just came a place near my house. We came to eat mutura with my daughter. She came to see me because I'm not feeling well. Nimekuja kuona nikule mutura, nikunywe soup. Because mommy has said I drink soup because I don't have appetite. Yes, guys, I'm in a chilling mode. See, even though I'm dressed with it's chilling mode. Njoki, come and say hi this side. No, this side. Your side has no brightness. Come here. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Nancy.
Yes, her name is Nancy. She's my baby. I'm her mother.
She's my mom. She
Yeah.
always asks me to come and cook for her. Now today I'm going to cook, and she will cook ugali today.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see
And
how she will become the wife of a person because we are having wedding very soon.
hey, amen, guys. Oh my goodness, are you invited? Are you invited? Anyway, guys, we're just waiting for motor right here. I'll just show you. Yes. Bye.
Bye.
So as you see, the place is not that bad. It's a chilling place. Yes. Look at the motor there. It's beautiful. Inakuanga ndani na ni marama ni nini. It's very yummy, I tell you, huh? Nachomeka. Guys, it's yummy. And my face is glowing courtesy of Karabeki's product. Guys, I've been told when you drink with a straw in a slappingi, I'm waiting for it to slap me. What's this? Oh, it's motura. I'm waiting for it to slap me. Ndo risky. I'll tell you how it's slapping. Guys, I'm writing monthly
monthly shopping list because I'll forget. So I'm just writing now. Guys, guess what? I broke my candle. My goodness, I know it's nice. We got this with my baby the time I was here. Now see, my goodness, it's normal. Imeandika at it's normal. It's normal. Like it fell down while I was charging. I was trying to charge my phone and then see, it's glass. Anyway, rest in peace.
Lions roaring in the morning
We are going for lunch dates. Mimi na hii kofia kama nimerogwa. Zimbaz, guys. Let me show you the road. For real, it's cold. Yeah. So guys, there is where we're going. I think even on high the number plates are going to Green Leaf. What are we drinking?
I don't know. What do you want to drink?
Me, I want something cool because it's very cold.
Okay.
And this I didn't show you the outfit of the day. I understand.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
So guys, during the day you saw me with the same outfit, but now I had to put a wig on because I'm going. My friend Kashata, all of you, like everyone, if you're my subscriber, you know Kashata, right? If you knew, Kashata is my close friend. Yes, I'm a good friend. She's a funny friend. Yeah, I'm going to support her. She's hosting a row at a club called The Ox around Bypass. Ruiru. Yeah, there. I'm going there right now. So that's my outfit, girls. You see, but I'm not going to wear heels. Like, yes, and yes. I'm opted to wear the same office the same outfit because kuna baridi and sikuwa najisikia kuvaa dress. Actually even nilimuuliza Kashata umevaa nini, akaniambia babe nimevaa dress. I'm like, oh, I'm going to wear a trouser. Then akaniambia hata ukitaka vaa kanzu. I'm here wearing a kanzu na hema guys kwa sababu nimeharakisha cause nimemdanganya mara mingi na nimetoka na sijatoka. So yes, maybe I'll show you there or I might fail, but just know I'm going to support her. She's hosting. See you guys. Bye bye and good night. Kwako ama yeah, inakuanga poa. So guys, I'm heading there. I'm heading where Kashata is and see you in a few. Ilikuwa imeflood. Yeah, it was huko chini.
But today,
yeah,
leo sijui imekuaje. Mpaka Thika Road imekuwa sawa. Unajua mvua imenyesha kweli. Bypass ya Kawaskari, tunnel, underpass na Juja na Kimbo. Today was
unaona ule mwenye kombio dere?
mbali.
Ama hata ni tuktuk.
Kwa nini yake?
Mimi ni mwoga.
Siwezi pita kwa hiyo lane.
Ile ni ya gari zenye zinatoka huko. Ni katuktuk hadi what? Guys, I know you can't see me clearly, but yes, you'll see me clearly. So hey guys, today is on Friday. I'm chilling with my baby. She came to see me. Do you want to see her? Are you sure? Are you sure guys you want to see her? Meet her. Hi baby. How are you?
My boy, am I dark?
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Yeah, she came to see me. We're just chilling.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget.
Hey guys, how are you? Nasikia ni kama na recite poem guys. Anyway. If you follow me on Instagram, yesterday you saw me, I took some shots, tequila shots with my best friend. Now, I feel like my body is not boarding, but I'm trying my best. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I got from the supermarket. Yeah, so guys, I had written weekly shopping, but this one I don't think it's weekly guys. This one is monthly. So let me unpack with you and show you what I got. I'm gonna start with here. Indomie, so nikito naeka hapo sasa. I recorded a whole video like showing what is inside this box, and then nikapata best friend wangu kuna record. My goodness, I even feel tired already. So you respect us. Tukwambie tu subscribe. Aki tunatest kama it's coming from. I don't know. These are Nisha popcorn. Best friend wants to cook for me some popcorn, so we're going to chill and popcorn. Yeah, so she's going to cook for me this, and the reason why I got this guys, my mama, I saw mama using this, so she was like, it's very yummy, go and try. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, next is soda. I love soda. It's the same many to a levy anyway, and some juicers from Minute Maid. Okay, another soda guys. Karibuni kwangu mkunywe soda. So this one, my friends they have referred me to try this. It's my first time, so taambia kama chakula kimekuwa kitamu. This macaroni, yes, macaroni, the way you call it, mchuzi mix. We're cooking pilau actually sai guys. Karibuni. Karibuni shaka pilau. And then I'm a sunrise baby, so sunrise rice. Sunrise rice. Rhyme scheme. Mnajua napenda maize, ndio hivyo my fan, you know I love a maize. And so today I have one different flour from, I don't know where, but it's called 210. My best friend told me to try this. It's a nice one. So we're gonna try this. It's ooh. And skari kutoka Kabrasi. Ini yeah, Kabrasi. And then I'm having sijui kama zingine ziko hapa niliacha huko guys. Inaitwa tomato paste. Yeah. So guys, we're done with the first carton. Yeah, I'm not sure when you're not vitu. So guys, hizi sijanunua supermarket because za super zilikuwa zinaka venye zinataka guys. So imagine guys, kitunguu kamoja 20 bob. 20 bob. So tumenunua kwa kibanda. Yes. Na yenyewe ilikuwa moza ama ilikuwa tatu mbao? Tatu mbao? Yeah guys, so yes, hizo. And now chumvi kama kawaida. Hii kitu naona na aibu guys, you know Nairobi si kama ushago chumvi kisha unaenda kwa neighbor unasikia hata aibu. So hii kitu naishanga kama mtu ajui. These ones are sanitary towels. I'm a Cortex baby, you know. Anyway, I'm not broke, you know. You gotta take care. Oh, just using any food stuff. What do you think? And then yeah, I should get the small, tiny yogurts. When I want, I just pick Yeah. Allah. My space is not giving. Ini baridi.
So sweet.
Sausages. Raymond angekuwa mangesema sauce. And some what is it? Rolls, sliced, whatever man. English is not my mouth. Morning fresh. I love using this. This one's niliona mamangu guys ako nayo ni ya kumesha nywele. It's a nice one. Inanukia vizuri. The scent is scenting. It's giving. Haina shida imefungo chini kiasi. Some more yogurts guys. Raymond angekuwa some mayonnaise and salad dressing. Una record?
Yeah, babe.
Hey, guys, nimeonyesha kivumbi hapa. Lazima I confirm. And some spinach, whatever. And some bacon guys. Karibu niekele kwa sabuni. Ndio hizi mwenzake wa tomato paste. I think I only took 3. And cut them down. Nimechoka already.
Probably.
And then guys, these are serviettes from Neighbors. They have guys. Grapes guys are very expensive. These ones are for making salads because you know I love salads. And cucumber. Some cucumbers. Guys, imagine a cucumber tatu. Anyway, price is must. Itakuwa tuna overdo. So some chili. I love chili guys because inanipeanga appetite. Naka energy na nguvu za kufanya vlogs. Woo, biro tabu. Sisi wajinga bana. Nini? These ones are hizi ni lime ama ni lemons?
Those are lemons.
Lime ni tule tungine tunye tuna ngozi ngumu. Hatuna sura mbaya. Iko na sura mbaya. Anyway, some lime. Hii imejipeleka guys, nyakosha vyombo imeshajipeleka kwa simu. Some lettuce, but lettuce, you know the verb, lettuce, and yeah, my favorite milkshakes guys. Wewe, hii shopping inataka mtoto arudi sasa, Raymond arudi akunywe hizi vitu. Yes guys, you see I'm rough, but I was just showing you very polite. Hizi ni vitunguu za vitunguu saumu. Hii ni vitunguu saumu, mnaviona? And tissue. What else? Oh, sorry guys. This one ni ya kupanguza nini? Glasses. I needed this very bad. So, what else? Kuna kitu nimebakisha?
Milk.
Oh guys, and then I have a carton of milk. Imefichwa huko chini. Siwezi kuonyesha, but that was it. Yeah, nitaonyesha maybe kwenye kama nitapaka kwa fridge, I'll show you. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching my weekly monthly shopping. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Thank you my returning subscribers and thank you my new subscribers. I love you all. Bye. Guys, I forgot to show you the meats nanunuanga kwa butchery. I don't like nyama za supermarket guys. So yeah, zimekatwa into pieces hivyo, whatever. Yeah, we are sausages nilionyesha. And then there is
feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else.
time for makeup. What is this doing here?
What is what and where?
Time for makeup, guys. We're stepping outside. It's on Saturday, yeah? Nisa? Saturday. It's on a Saturday. Yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of.
Wait for the makeup to set, guys. So, hey guys, this is my outfit. This is my shoe, my handbag. So, yeah, and that's my outfit for today.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in color.